Cent Warriors, today we are going to talk about 4 reasons why small businesses don't grow. I want you to identify these reasons, yeah? And look around your business. See if this could be one of the reasons. If there's a reason why your business could not be growing. Now, let's start. Let's go straight to the point. Now, reason number 1 is lack of financial literacy. Financial literacy is a knowledge on prudent financial management. This could be from personal finance management to business management, finance management. Now, why is financial literacy very crucial for any success and growth of any business? Now, remember, financial literacy was never taught in our schools. There's no curriculum in financial literacy. Neither was it taught in our homes. So if you as an entrepreneur, you have not taught yourself, self-learning on matters of financial literacy, you have not read books, you have not attended courses, you have not literally advanced your financial literacy knowledge. Yeah, key examples. How do you manage your money from a personal perspective? If you don't manage your money well through budgeting, right? You are always, living beyond your means, above your means. That is one symptoms of you are not financially managing your money well. Another thing is, in your business, you need to know how to do things like budgeting, right? Good financial records keeping. Another thing is good cash flow management. All these things comes down to financial literacy. How do you prudently use the resources that you have in the business to maximize your returns, right? How do you not use your cash in a way that is not prudent and is not going to give return to your business, right? So take care of that area. If you are lacking in financial management, financial literacy, please go down and hire a coach to take you through the fundamentals and principles of financial literacy so that you start managing your money well from personal to the business. Remember, I said that a business will reflect the competency of the founder. A business will always reflect your image. Is a mirror image of you. If you're not prudent in financial management personally, it will spill over onto your business and your business is going to start suffering. Lesson number 2 is lack of funding or lack of financial, capital. Now, small businesses suffer from lack of sufficient funding. It is very hard for them to get enough funding, even in terms of loans in the bank. Another thing that we want to highlight is most of the small businesses, especially when they are being founded, you have so much to do with little capital. You can identify that it takes so much capital to lay, the foundations of the business, from renting, goodwill, making the business place habitable or redesign for you to start the business. It takes a huge outlay. Now, after you have started the business, you need marketing cash, right? You need to hire some employee. Where are you getting all this money? If you don't have good access to capital, remember, you are not even established. You're just, establishing ground to start practicing in this field. Looking for customers, marketing, sales. You need all these different areas of business. And if you don't have enough capital, you don't have enough liquid to push you through a few months before your business starts becoming profitable, your business is going to suffer. So before you start in a business, look at your books. How much do I have? Do I have enough cash that can sustain me up to 3 months before I start getting customers and, making some returns for my business? So that is reason number 2. Reason number 3 is poor cash flow management. Most businesses, small businesses, are dying because of lack of cash flow. Yeah, and cash flow, you can revisit some of my previous video where we highlighted about cash flow and how to ensure that your business is running, in a positive cash flow. Now, this could be a poor cash flow management could emanate from you not being prudent in your expenses. That is a major culprit. That could be one. You're not prudently managing your expenses well. And we said for you to prudently manage your expenses, ask yourself 3 questions. Is the expense saving you time? Right? How can it save time? You can hire, maybe the expense is going to hire an expert who will bring into your business and help you in an expert that you don't have an idea on how to run to. Now, this could be hiring people in your business or buying equipment that are going to save time for you. Second thing is it enhancing your expertise? Are you using this expense to pay for more knowledge than to be able to enhance your business competency? Number 3 is it generating income for you? Are you spending this income, this expense on things like marketing, sales, hiring a team that is going to bring more money to you? These are questions that you need to ask. So good cash flow management. How are you managing your receivables, right? Are you making so much, but your money is out there and you're not recovering as it comes? So visit that video. You're going to see how you can manage your cash flow and ensure efficiency in your business. The other thing, the last reason is burnout and overworking yourself. Burnout, stress, right? Now, stress and burnout comes in when you don't have a team. You are working, you're wearing the heart of every function in your business. Remember, we said that as a CEO of your company, your sole responsibility is ensuring that you have the strategy, you create a team to run the company, and then you make sure that you have some cash in the bank. Now, if you are undertaking all the functions of the business, from marketing, from admin, to finance, product development, sale, all this, if you are wearing all the hats in your company, you are likely to have burnout, you are likely to be stressed, and your business is not going to grow. So how do you solve this? You need to get a team in place. If you are going to outsource some of the functions, so it be. Find an accountant. You don't have to create a finance department in your business. You can outsource that function. You can outsource the role of admin. You can outsource the role of digital marketing. That will leave you with more time to focus on the strategic functions of the business, on how to push and grow your business. So look at those 4 things: lack of financial literacy, lack of sufficient capital, poor cash flow management, and lastly, avoid stress and burnout by hiring competent and committed team to help you run your business. Thank you. See you in the next one.